Hello everyone and happy Monday. If you're not watching the video today, maybe it's Tuesday or Saturday. But anyway, happy Monday. So save this video and watch it on a Monday. Anyway, I have a Toyota life hack for you. Have you ever tried your smart key, put your hand on the door handle, and it unlocks just the driver door? That's great. But what if you have children or family members, or you want to load luggage and you want all the doors to unlock at the same time with just one pull of the handle? I can show you how. Life hack, hashtag. So here's what I'm talking about. Smart key right here on this Avalon Hybrid. What if I were to push both the lock and unlock buttons at the same time? Oh, okay, about 5 seconds or so. Beep, 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 beep. Now let's try it. Walk up to the car. Hey! Oh boy, things are starting to roll now, baby! Oh yeah! All right, same demo. On a 2019 Highlander, what do you guys think of this color? Sweetness, baby. Okay, so now, smart key, hold down, lock and unlock. I think we did it. Shall we try it? Act 2, Scene 3. Roll 'em. Oh, oh, yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah, oh yeah, you know it. It's time to try it out on the 2020 Tundra XP Cavalry Blue Double Cab. Woo! Oh, 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 oh. I messed that one up, didn't I? Let's try it anyway. Oh yeah, a blooper turned into a life hack. Holla. Oh. So those were easy, brand new Toyotas. Let's try it out on a used vehicle. Try it out on my Camry XLE. In silver, holla. All right, I'm gonna go around to the driver door, smart key, see if it works on the back passenger door. Hey! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and most importantly, I hope it works on your Toyota. So, the homework assignment, go to your car, try it out, hold down lock and unlock for about 5 seconds, wait for the 2 sets of beeps, beep, 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 beep. And then report back to me in the comment section. Tell me what car you drive, what year it is, and if it worked or not. Thank you guys so much. See you next time. By the way, if it worked, watch an ad or two. Watch an ad or two. Thank you.